Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really nice NETVUE Birdfy AI. It's a smart bird feeder with camera system. It's a bird watching cam. Automatic capture bird videos and notify when a bird is detected. Artificial intelligence identify bird species, if you like. Bird house with camera and Wi-Fi. That means you will pair it to your Wi-Fi network at home and you can see what's going on with the birds in your garden, for example. Oh yeah, that's cool. Still watch birds by binoculars? The NETVUE smart bird feeder with a camera can auto-capture and identify all coming birds, and it will receive a real-time notification of feeder visitors via the phone app. This revolutionary smart bird detective camera system allows us to close-up shots full of character and provides the best experience to upgrade our bird watching journey. We'll never miss out feeder birds buddies. Want to know what species of the detected birds? No problem for it. That smart AI identifies 6,000 plus bird species. This smart bird here, smart bird feeder cam with the world's leading AI algorithm recognize more than 6,000 types and species of birds for us. We can look up further details and introduction of the bird species in the NETVUE app with the recognition result. Meanwhile, it can accurately identify squirrels, and we can drive away squirrels by flashlights, alert, or just say go away through the microphone, because it comes with a two-way audio option. With 1080p high resolution, this bird feeder cam allows us to get the best shots of image and videos in color even at night. We can not only see the birds clearly in selfie-like perspective, but also we capture close-up details with 8x magnification, such as their feathers. What is more, with a 5 dBi antenna, the camera supports more stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network connection. If you have a 5 GHz network, it's not a problem for you, because every router out there which can give you a 5 GHz network, it can also give you a 2.4 GHz network. We will never worry about losing signal and missing a moment of the bird visitors. The birdhouse cam is a professional design as a beautiful home for our backyard birds. And it is IP65 waterproof. And firm stand make it solid house for bodies of birds. The 1.5-liter large capacity container can store enough food for birds, so we don't need to add bird food frequently. We don't worry about mold owing to the waterproof feature. This bird-friendly feature will attract all kinds of birds. Just enjoy the upgraded bird watching journey on our phone app. And the NETVUE Birdfy smart bird cam will auto-capture the bird's movement as image or videos and store it in the NETVUE cloud for up to 7 days for free. And we can extend it by subscription of an SD card. It supports smartphone or tablets and computer too, so we can easily organize the lovely moments into a beautiful collection to admire and share with our friends and family. What's the perfect gift for bird lovers out there? NETVUE, founded in 2010. This is an innovative smart home solution company with the mission of using AI technology to assist people like us in all aspects of home life and brings a human dimension to modern technology. NETVUE provides a complete solution built with mobile internet-connected smart hardware. They thrive to create high-quality smart devices, a friendly yet powerful resources that makes us people lives easier and more convenient. And this is a good feature here. The NETVUE Bird AI bird feeder with camera system. Automatic capture, and it is identifying 6,000 plus birds in real-time notification. And we have a free storage. Oh, that's nice. We receive real-time notifications of our birds or the feeder visitors on our smartphone. It's really easy. You have to reload it first, so get it in position, use your smartphone power supply for it with USB C adapter, no problem with it, okay? And then you can go and connect it with the app. Use the app to connect it easily. It's easy. You have to enter into your Wi-Fi network. Then you get a QR code. And this QR code you have to hold in front of the camera. And then it is paired. And after it is paired, you can make so many setup things. You can make a time schedule function. You can make a rotary function, 180 rotation as you like. You can watch it in live. You can communicate with the other side if you like. And then you attach this bird house easily to a flat surface as you like, because there is a holding system included, or you use the band to band it around a tree, for example, and then you can make an awesome time with it because it is IP66 waterproof and it makes automatic shots of your birds, which is visiting your Birdfy camera system. Have fun with it. This is nature, and this is all really, really beautiful. This is the NETVUE Bird AI Smart Bird Feeder camera system. It's a bird watching system with a Wi-Fi camera system included, so you can give a benefit to your birds in your garden, for example, and the birds will give your benefit back to you because they are so beautiful and you can see it with the camera system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.